Go then, mate.
Hi mate, how you going?
Looking up.
Can I just get my phone fixed? I've broken my screen and the back of it's pretty smashed up as well.
Okay, how did you manage to do this?
I'm fixing a helicopter and I dropped it off the helicopter. So
Right, okay. I've come across a lot of breaks on this job, but falling out of a helicopter's a first, definitely. Yeah, that's insane. Sweet, mate. I'll see you in like an hour 15.
Sounds good, mate.
Yeah. Here you go.
Awesome. Legend.
Back to normal.
Thank you very much.
Brand new again.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Good.
Have any issues at all? It's got a year warranty on it.
Oh, perfect.
So bring it back, we'll sort it out. That is $647.99 altogether, mate. Appreciate it.
Cheers, mate.
Right.
I'll see you later.
Cheers, mate. Take care.